just want to talk about cheese. Yeah, but look at what's going on behind you there. Where is that? Is that downtown?
It is, yeah. We are seeing that fog here developing now in downtown Portland. It's pretty thick in spots on the west sides of Portland, but a nice view here from above. You can see how gray and socked in we are becoming this morning. It's a quiet start, foggy once again, pretty standard for a November morning. Temperatures are pretty chilly too. We are sitting in the 30s for many spots around Portland, and in the valley even in the mid to low 30s for some spots. So we'll stay in the 30s throughout the morning. We'll still see some fog at least until 9 or 10, and we could get some sun breaks. We'll keep it partly to mostly cloudy through lunchtime, but overall rain does return as we head into our afternoon hours. So enjoy the dry start here. Not tracking much rain across Oregon as we head our way into our morning. Showers are just offshore now ahead of our next weather system that rolls in by tonight. So we do expect a wet commute home tonight and rain to start spreading inland here by our overnight hours through Friday morning. So we're tracking a lot of weather here, a lot of action just offshore, and a couple of systems developing now over the Pacific. They'll start to work our way as we head into our night tonight through Friday, and then over the weekend we'll see a number of moments here that'll be fairly soggy and even windy as we head our way into the weekend. So here's our rainfall futurecast. Let's map out some of this rain. Again, a dry start for our Thursday morning. As we head our way into the afternoon, likely around lunchtime, showers will spread towards the coast, and then as we head into the afternoon, maybe around 2 and beyond, we'll start to see some showers here trickling into Portland. That rain picks up mostly by the late evening and then overnight into Friday, not just for the coast, but here in the valley too. So as we head our way into Friday morning, you can see how soggy we get. Some models are showing over 1.5 inches of rain here just around the valley and coast by the time we hit tomorrow morning. So a very wet commute for our Friday. We'll start to see some snow here falling out towards the mountains. We'll see unsettled weather and scattered heavy showers at times through the rest of Friday. That's after this weather system rolls on through. A lot of instability too. A chance we see some thunderstorms going into our Friday evening. Could see some active weather again by tomorrow night. But then we head our way into Saturday. We'll see another round of heavy rain working on in. Winds pick back up too. Again, we are expecting a lot of weather. At times we'll see high winds, a lot of snow, and a lot of rain here. Talking about tonight through tomorrow morning, we do have a couple of alerts here. A high wind watch and high wind warning in place. We were talking about a potential windstorm. It does look like models have backed off on the strength of that windstorm, but we'll still see some high impact winds for areas of the southern Oregon coast going into tonight through Friday morning. So high wind warning now in place. We could see wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour, mostly starting up by tonight through early Friday morning, again through Coos, Douglas, and Curry counties down in southern Oregon. Same goes for the central Oregon coast, and we'll also see winds up into Portland too. Take a look at our wind gust forecast. Again, we could see some gusts around 40 to 65 miles per hour setting up by tonight through tomorrow morning. Those winds will pick up even in Portland by the time we start tomorrow too. So not only a soggy commute tomorrow morning, likely windy here in Portland as we see those stronger gusts hit areas of the southern Oregon coast. By the time we hit Friday afternoon, those winds will shift to the east side. We're looking at breezy conditions for the mountains and also eastern Oregon through Friday before winds start to die down. Again, a winter storm warning in place too. We'll see a lot of snow over the next 3 or 4 days here heading into our weekend, and that plus some blowing winds too. So blowing snow expected up there. We could see some, at times, even difficult to impossible travel over our passes here heading into the weekend. So that winter storm warning in place because we are expecting close to maybe 2 to 3 feet of new snow just through the weekend. So exciting to see if you are a skier like me. Excited for the season to start and good to get that base building. This model here showing over 2 feet of snow by the time we hit Saturday morning. And again, a lot of that heading to the passes too. So tough, even difficult travel. You won't be a fan if you have plans to head over the mountain passes. You may have to wait until the end of the weekend or into Monday. So here's a look at our zone planner today. Upper 40s. We'll see rain returning by the evening. Our 7-day forecast showing a lot of wet days ahead. We'll be tracking those very high winds too towards the coast and in spots around the valley heading into tomorrow morning. Carly.
Well, check out the first traffic alert